In every breakthrough that changes lives, there are stories that begin in science, in curiosity, in conviction. For over 2 decades, VAV has lived at that intersection, developing and manufacturing specialized lipids that deliver drugs and power modern medicine, nutraceuticals, and personal care. VAV was built on a simple belief that lipids could redefine what's possible in healthcare, nanomedicine, nutrition, and cosmeceuticals. Today, that belief powers a global movement in lipid innovation.
At VAV, we recognize that all manufacturing starts with core research, and we've built our company exactly with that philosophy. That's for us the key to sound manufacturing and a seamless chain of technology.
3 globally registered brands, Liciva, Lipova, and Oliova. Recognized by partners in more than 50 countries and trusted by the world's leading pharmaceutical companies.
VAV offers a complete range of polar lipids. We offer products from plant sources like soybean, sunflower, from animal sources like egg and milk, as well as synthetic lipids.
What began as a simple idea has grown into one of the most comprehensive product ranges in the industry. A journey powered by people who dared to dream bigger than the rest. From offering polar lipids as active pharmaceutical ingredients to developing lipid systems for advanced drug delivery applications, our commitment to innovation keeps us ahead of the curve. Our capabilities are strengthened by advanced manufacturing technologies designed for accuracy, efficiency, and reproducibility. Even during the global pandemic, we played a vital role in supporting life-saving breakthroughs. Whether it's our scientists contributing to lipid publications that shape tomorrow's medicine, or our techno-commercial team enabling successful customer projects across the world, together, we continue to expand what lipids can do. Because advanced ingredients aren't just what we make, they're how we impact global health. VAV, binding lipids to life.